Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to share with you about Microsoft Excel different features. In the previous class, we have discussed about Microsoft Excel introduction, features of Microsoft Excel, and the uses of Microsoft Excel. We have discussed in detail in the last class. Now we are going to explain some formulas, some simple formulas that how could we calculate addition of different numbers in Microsoft Excel and what are the different cells and rows and function window, etc. So this is the environment of Microsoft Excel you can see in front of your screen. The vertical columns we can see they are alphabetical columns A, B, C, D, E, and so on. So these are the vertical alphabetical columns in MS Excel, and horizontally there are different rows you can see. These are the rows, different rows you can see. So combination of rows and columns is called table. And Excel is the software that provide you facility there that there are number of rows and columns. You can easily manipulate or organize your data. Not simple data, you can easily organize your arithmetical mathematical data that require different formulas. So MS Excel is a best place to insert any kind of formula easily into your numerical values. So this is called cells, as I have explained before. When I am moving different cell addresses, you can see I'm moving on different cell address. Then there is a window that is called name box or address cell window. Or right now where you are located. Right now I am in cell C4. So this is the address of C4. Right now my cursor is in C4 and the current address of cell is C4. So this is name box or address window. You will find out the current cell address. After that, there is a window that is called FX or insert function. And in front of FX window, there is a text box. In text box, we can insert any kind of formula or any kind of function here. After that, you can see different tabs, same like Microsoft Word, home, insert, page layout, formulas, review, view, and so on. So these are the different these are the different tabs available in Microsoft Excel. Now we are going to add different values in Microsoft Excel. For example, I want to calculate addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. How do I calculate addition of two numbers? For example, my first number is N1, N1, let's suppose 10, and second number is N2, N2 is 20. So I just want to calculate the sum of two numbers. Now heading of sum. So how do I calculate the sum of two numbers? Right now they are very simple numbers, but MS Excel is not for calculating simple addition of simple numbers. No, you can calculate very complex numbers and hundreds of numbers or thousands of numbers very quickly, rapidly. These formulas can help you to add multiple numbers at a time and very quickly and easily. So right now I'm giving you an example that how could calculate or apply the sum formula by calculating or adding two numbers. So for example, I want to display the sum of two numbers in this window. Right now the address of this window or cell is D8. You can see this is D8. So I will click on the FX window or formula bar. After that, I will write equal to sign and sum formula, SUM sum, then small bracket. After that, you have to mention the values or cell address which you want to add. For example, this one is D6, N1 is in D6 and N2 value is in D7. So I want to calculate the value of D6 to D7. And you can see when I wrote the address of D6 and D7, so those addresses are highlighted now. You can see they are highlighted now because I have mentioned the cell address in the formula window in front of some formula. Now close a small bracket and press enter. So you will get the result in front of the sum caption. See? So in this way, you can calculate different addition on thousands of numbers very easily, quickly. So these are the very simple formula of Microsoft Excel. For example, right now I want to calculate the average of two numbers. For example, average. So how do I can calculate the average of two numbers? Same like that. Just below the sum heading, I wrote the heading of average, and in front of average, there is a cell address D9. I want to calculate the average of two numbers into D9 window. So again, I will move towards the FX window or address bar, and again, I will write average. And from where to where you want to calculate average. Again, I want to write another method. For example, I will choose the cell address directly by using my mouse like this and up to this. Only these two numbers I want to calculate the average. You can see the address of the cell automatically appear in the window D6 to D7. Again, you have to press enter after closing the bracket. So you will get the average of two numbers like this. So it is very easy. You can calculate any values applying different mathematical formulas in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, you can easily insert different sheets. Right now, I have sheet 1. For example, I want to enter another sheet. I want to perform another calculation. So I will click on the plus sign. So you can see there is another sheet up here. There is another sheet up here. So in this way, you can move across the different sheet like this. My sheet 1 is this. In this sheet, I have calculated addition of two numbers. So it is a simple way to calculate the addition of two numbers, and you can apply the subtraction formula as well as and the product formula as well as. I hope that students you will understand and you will apply these operation into your MS Excel software. And you have any difficulty problem, you can ask. In the next class, we will discuss some more topics related to the Microsoft Excel. Until that, Allah Hafiz, signing out.